Okay, so today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite spots, Clove Lakes. Let's go. Okay, so Clove Lakes happens to just be one of those places that I go to all the time. I just used to go there to the parks all the time and go fishing with my uncle and my cousins. You know, play football, all sorts of good stuff. Don't mind these balloons back here, by the way. My mother's a real estate agent. She had an open house, so I don't just like ride around with balloons. Also, first things first, I'm gonna get some Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, so got my coffee. Small hot, cream 2 sugars. That's how it is. That's how it'll always be. Dunkin' Donuts over Starbucks any day. Except for cold brews. But just want that to be known. Okay, let's go to Clove Lakes. This is it, by the way. We're here, Clove Lakes. Okay, could not have picked a more beautiful day to do this. It really is. Just kind of enjoy that for a second. Alright. First thing I wanted to show you was this hill here. Every Staten Islander knows this hill, especially if you're on the North Shore. You basically just roll down it when it's green and go snow sledding down it when there's snow. Alright. So here's the official trail entrance. I mean, not trail, it's blacktop, but the entrance to Clove Lakes, at least from the Martling entrance. There's Martling Avenue, and you lead in here. And this is the crossover bridge to Lake Number 1. Looks very Blair Witchy right now because it's the winter time, but it's usually pretty beautiful. Hey, you okay?
I'm making the kid's shelter.
You're making a shelter?
Cat is here. I feed the cat every day. Is for 4 months, 5 months already.
You feed a cat?
It's a cat.
Oh, so the cat, you're making a house for him.
Yeah.
So, you know, good luck with that, and if you need help, just ask, all right? That just looks nice. Enjoy that. A lot of good times with this bridge. Definitely a beautiful view. All right, official Clove Lakes Park sign. It's kind of nice. This is just kind of a nice view. See a little bridge there. It's nice. That leads to the stone house with all the little boats you could rent and all that. Yeah. This is like the really nice part of Clove Lakes. That's just a nice image of a squirrel. Hey, squirrel. Man, so many geese. My God, I never realized how many of them there were. It just keeps going. Alright, it stops, never mind. I don't know what it is, but the sunset is really just cooperating today. You know, really, really nice today. It's one last little stop down here. Hopefully there's nobody there, but it's a little rock skipping area. One of my favorite things to do. Let's go check it out. Yeah.
Just watch the bobber, okay?
I got on record, thanks, man. I'm gonna go. You mind if I go right here?
Whatever you want to do, bro.
I don't want to hit the geese.
Yeah. So this thing's going?
Yeah.
I don't have to hit anything.
You don't got enough. Good. Alright. Maybe come in just a little bit so I can see. That's good?
Yep.
That's 3. Let's see. Let's go for 4 on this one.
It's okay.
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Hey, I appreciate it.
No
man.
problem, man. Good luck.
Hey, thanks, dude. One of the staples of Clove Lakes Park is their park benches. You know, the amount of people who have probably sat here, thought of some awesome idea, or, you know, maybe asked an important question, or just sat and relaxed for a while on a bad day. You know? Those sorts of things make me happy. Okay, so here we are on the other side of Clove Lakes. That guy, by the way, shout out to that guy. Let's see, can I get him? He told me Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to you too, sir. I mean, it looks exactly like the other side, just woods, but one addition. Sam's fishing spot. Okay, so I figured it out. On the other side is where the geese hang out, and here is where the ducks hang out. Yeah. Alright. This is it. This is the bridge that leads you to our fishing spot. Right there. One thing most people who will tell you who fish at Clove Lakes will tell you that you will catch way more snapping turtles than you will fish if you come fishing at Clove Lakes. So that's all I wanted to show you. On the way out, I'll show you the little workout area that I never use. Okay, so there used to be a pull-up bar here. It's no longer there. They still got the tricep Olympic dip thingy. I don't know what the hell you call it, the horses or whatever. You know, let's see how I do on them. One thing I love about Clove Lakes is these random little bridge crossings where there's just like a creek or a stream or a brook, I don't know what you call it, that goes across, you know. Also, one other thing I always noticed was this tree that has some carvings in it. NT, NR, ABS, and Dr. something or another. All you people, I hope you're all still in love and hope you're married with kids and all that good stuff. So, that's it. That's Clove Lakes in the eyes of me. That kind of looks nice, that little sun glare. Makes me look majestic. I like it. You know, I just always found this fire hydrant very interesting. You know, if anybody could tell me why it's here, that'd be great. Again, that sunset really was appreciated today.